Bananas can stay fresh for a whole month, thanks to a simple trick that farmers have been using for a long time. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. For years, I thought there were only two options. Eat them quickly before they blacken, or put them in the fridge to make them last longer. But neither of those methods kept the bananas for long or caused them to lose color faster. It was only when I accidentally learned about the simple tricks that farmers have used for generations. Gentle, natural, but surprisingly effective, that I really changed the way I preserve bananas. Today, I will share with you those time-tested methods so you can keep bananas golden, sweet, and fresh for longer than you ever thought possible. Especially at the end of the video, I will show you how to make my grandmother's drink, which is very delicious and gives her a lot of energy. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. The first step starts as soon as you get your bananas home. Don't just put them on the table. Or rush to put them in the fridge. Bananas are sensitive to heat and chemicals sprayed on their skin. Get a large bowl of clean water and dissolve 2 tablespoons of salt. Gently rinse each banana in this solution. This simple step helps remove ripening agents, which are used to make banana peels more evenly yellow when sold. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. For best results, soak only the stem of the banana in the salt water for 1 to 2 minutes. The stem of the banana is where most chemicals accumulate, and if not cleaned, they can cause the banana to ripen and spoil very quickly. By cleaning the stem, you are slowing down the ripening process right from the root. Just a few minutes will help your bananas stay golden and sweet for 5 to 7 days longer, enough to enjoy without rushing. Salt water is a great place to start, but bananas often have dust, dirt, or even pesticide residue that regular water doesn't completely wash away. That's why we need to add a quick soak with baking soda. Discard the salt water and replace it with fresh water. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and stir well. Baking soda creates a slightly alkaline environment, which helps break down acidic pesticide residue. Place the whole bunch of bananas in the solution, gently rolling each one so that the skin is evenly coated. Soak the stem end for another 3 to 4 minutes, remembering that the stem end is the most important area. When finished, rinse the bananas thoroughly under clean water to remove the baking soda. Then dry them with a paper towel. Pay special attention to the stem end, as any remaining moisture can cause mold. This step not only cleans, but also helps the bananas retain their yellow color and sweetness for longer. Banana stems release ethylene gas, a natural compound that triggers the ripening process. If the stem end is exposed, this gas spreads rapidly throughout the bunch, causing the bananas to soften and brown very quickly. Protecting the stem end is the most effective way to slow this process. First, check the stem. If you see black spots or mold, cut it off with a clean knife. Even a small mold spot can spread to the whole bunch. First, check the stem. If you see black spots or mold, cut it off with a clean knife. Just one small mold spot can spread to the whole bunch. Next, wrap the stem tightly with plastic wrap. Wrap in several layers so that air cannot get in. This coating helps retain ethylene gas, preventing it from spreading into the banana. This will keep your bananas firm and sweet for longer. It will also keep the peels from turning black. If you want to separate the bananas for later use, you can cut each one, but cut it a little higher than the stem. Then cover the cut end with plastic wrap or tape to prevent air from reaching it to avoid blackening. When storing, do not stack bananas on top of each other or place them close to the table. Place the bananas on a ventilated tray to ripen naturally. The best way is to hang bananas. This helps prevent bruising, reduces surface contact, and keeps the peels looking nice and shiny. If hanging isn't an option, place the banana with the curve facing up and the concave side facing down, the same natural position the banana would have grown in, which helps distribute pressure more evenly. And finally, never put bananas in the refrigerator. Cold temperatures cause cold shock, causing the enzymes in the banana peel to react strongly, turning the peel black, even though the flesh is still edible. Always store bananas in a cool, room temperature place away from direct sunlight. With a few simple steps, you can keep bananas fresh longer, avoiding food waste. When bananas ripen faster than you can eat them, freezing is the perfect solution. But for easier use, peel and put the banana in a zip bag. Squeeze out all the air and close it. You can freeze them with the skin on, though the skin will darken. Don't worry, the inside will still be delicious. Frozen bananas keep for months, making them great for smoothies, banana bread, or super smooth banana ice cream. Just blend straight from the freezer. If the bananas are green and you want them to ripen evenly, use a paper bag. Put the bananas in a regular paper bag and leave at room temperature. Bananas naturally produce ethylene, and the paper bag traps this gas around the fruit, helping it ripen evenly and at the right rate, while still allowing air to escape to keep out moisture that can spoil it. This is a super simple way to get beautiful golden bananas at the right time. If your bananas are ripe but still firm, don't worry. You can keep them fresh for months with the brine method. Choose bananas that are ripe but not too soft. Place the bananas upright in a sterilized glass jar, leaving about 2 centimeters, about 1 inch at the top. Then pour in hot brine until the bananas are completely submerged. Press gently with a clean spoon to remove air bubbles before sealing. Finally, line a pot with a thin towel. Place the jar in and fill it halfway with water. Simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Then let it cool naturally. Stored in a cool, dry place, these bananas will last for 3 to 6 months at room temperature, or up to 1 year. A simple way is to preserve bananas in a mesh bag and gently separate each bunch to prevent the bananas from rubbing against each other. If the stem is a bit damp, use a paper towel to dry it before storing. Place each banana in a mesh bag so that the bananas do not overlap. The mesh bag allows 360 degrees air circulation, avoiding steaming like when stored in a nylon bag. Hang gently so that the bananas do not collide strongly. When hung high, the bananas do not touch the table surface and are less likely to accumulate heat. Bananas will take longer to ripen this way. This method helps the bananas to be completely ventilated, limiting heat and humidity. No pressure, less bruised, less bruised. In my opinion, hanging bananas in a mesh bag is very suitable for those who do not have much kitchen space. The bananas are kept airy on all four sides, not steamed, so the skin is quite well braided. For me, this is a simple little tip but worth trying in the daily kitchen. Carrot banana smoothie. My grandma's favorite drink, delicious and energizing. If you are looking for a drink that is both nutritious, delicious, and helps to recharge quickly, carrot banana smoothie is a great choice. This is also my grandmother's favorite dish. Simple but unforgettable flavor. Peel the carrot's edible flavor. Cut the carrots into thin slices for easier blending. Add carrots to the blender. Add 1 cup of water to make the mixture smooth. Blend the carrots for about 2 minutes until smooth. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Use a strainer to remove the pulp, only taking the carrot juice. This step makes the drink smoother and easier to drink. Peel 2 ripe bananas. Ripe bananas make the smoothie naturally sweeter and more fragrant. Note: peel off the banana veins because the veins can turn the drink black. Cut the banana into small slices. Put the sliced bananas into the blender. Pour in the carrot juice just obtained. Add 100 milliliters of fresh milk to increase the fat and aroma. Blend for about 2 minutes until the mixture is smooth and blended. This delicious and energy-packed drink is ready. Banana carrot smoothie is naturally sweet, lightly fatty, and full of nutrients. After trying this recipe, I was really surprised because the flavors were more harmonious than I expected. The natural sweetness of the banana combined with carrot juice creates a smoothie that is both fragrant and cool and has a beautiful color. What I like most is that the feeling of energy increases very quickly but is completely natural, not too sweet or greasy. This smoothie is suitable for breakfast, after exercise, or when you need to quickly supplement vitamins. If you are looking for a simple, healthy, yet delicious drink, banana carrot smoothie is definitely the choice you should try right away. I remember when I was a kid, my grandmother always had a bunch of bananas hanging in the kitchen. They were always golden yellow, never browned or soft. I didn't understand how she did it. I found out later. She washed the stems, wrapped them well, and always kept them in a cool, airy place. These simple habits kept the bananas fresh for a long time. And now I see the wisdom in those little things. Every time I follow these steps, I feel connected to my grandmother, to the care she took in her kitchen. I also love hearing from you, so please comment below if you have any tips. Let's learn together to keep our families healthier and happier. Keeping bananas fresh is more than just avoiding waste. It's about saving money, reducing waste, and preserving small joys. Try it and see for yourself in your own kitchen. You'll waste less, have sweeter bananas, and maybe even create some great memories, just like the ones passed down to you.